How to enter and exit full screen mode for apps in Windows 11. Viewing apps in full screen gives you an immersive, distraction-free experience, whether you're working productively, playing video games, or watching a TV series. Here are ways you can toggle the full screen mode by the type of app you're using. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Going full screen. For File Explorer and desktop applications, just press F11. Depending on your keyboard, you may need to press Fn plus F11 or Shift plus F11. For games and command line tools, press Alt plus Enter. For Microsoft Store apps, use Win plus Shift plus Enter to enter full screen. To exit, press the shortcut again, move the cursor to the top to reveal the title or menu bar, and click the Exit button, or swipe down from the top on touchscreen devices. And finally, for web browsers, press F11, Fn plus F11, or Shift plus F11. For the GUI option, go to Menu, Full Screen. Exit full screen by pressing Escape or clicking the Exit/Close full screen icon at the top. Things to consider. With all that said though, there are some factors to consider. 1. Not all apps can support full screen mode, and forcing it may cause display issues or bugs. 2. Some apps can go full screen mode in ways other than the ones we've discussed, so check their help page to learn more. 3. The shortcuts we have provided only work on a functioning keyboard, so be sure to check if it is working properly. And 4. If you're having issues with getting the app to go full screen, it may stem from the following: DPI scaling or screen resolution mismatches, outdated graphics drivers, taskbar settings, overlay tools, and multiple monitor setups. Troubleshooting. If you can't go full screen for various reasons, try the following. Are the shortcuts not working? Try different Fn key combinations. Check if the app has shortcuts disabled, or confirm if the app actually supports full screen mode. Still see the taskbar? Toggle the auto-hide taskbar setting off and on again, use Focus Assist to avoid interruptions, and restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager. Did the app crash or fail to display properly? Update graphics drivers and disable hardware acceleration in the app settings. And that wraps up our walkthrough of entering and exiting full screen mode in Windows 11. By understanding the different methods for each application type and knowing how to troubleshoot common issues, you'll ensure smoother workflows and a more focused user experience. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enter and exit full screen mode for apps in Windows 11, linked in the description below.